Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to hide your last seen status from certain contacts in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp web interface by visiting the official website. Step 2. Click on the three dots. Look for the three dots located at the top left corner of the screen and click on them. Step 3. Click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Click on Privacy. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Step 5. Click on Last Seen and Online. Find the option labeled Last Seen and Online and click on it. Step 6. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, check the circle next to My Contacts Accept. Step 7. Check the box next to Desired Contacts. Scroll through your contacts list and check the box next to the contacts you want to hide your last seen status from. Then, press the check mark icon to save your changes. And there, you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide your last seen status from certain contacts in WhatsApp Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.